install the Kylin Desktop Environment in Linux Mint 20 and make my desktop look a little more like Windows 10. To do that, go to the terminal and type sudo add-apt-repository ppa : Ubuntu Kylin members / UK UI 3.0. Okay, now type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. Okay, next type sudo apt install UKUI desktop environment -y. Okay, you can close the terminal and log out. Okay, choose UKUI. Enter your password to log back in. And now you have a taskbar and menu system that resembles Windows 10. And so does the file manager. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.